Hey guys, I'm Jason and welcome to my channel, where today we are going to be learning how to make a very cool birthday invite in Canva in just 5 simple steps. Let's go. First, you need to go to canva.com and then this will come up. But if you're not signed in or logged in, then there'll be a button or 2 buttons here telling you to sign up or log in. So to make a birthday invitation, you need to go to print, then cards and invites, then birthday invitation, portrait. And it might take some time to load, then you'll see this screen. And you can press X here because you don't need that. Now the first step to a good birthday invitation is text. So you can go to text and press add a subheading. Then you can type you're invited to, then you can put it up here. Now make sure not to put it in the danger zone. The danger zone is a place where if you put it there, it could be cut off. So make sure not to put it there. And now it's time for the actual heading. So press add a heading, and I'm going to type Jason's laser tag party. And you can put it up here. You can do this to make it a bit wider or smaller. And if you want it to be capital letter, press this. And now it's all capital letter. Now, if you want to make some really small text, like maybe the address, press add a little bit of body of text. And I'm going to paste in my address. It can be a real address, but I'm just using a fake address. And you can double click on the text to edit it. Now you can also do stuff like the date, and you can press add a subheading and you can make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to make it maybe this big and say 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and I'm going to put it here. And you can make it thinner, but not this thin. You can make it this big. And to duplicate it, press Ctrl D. But make sure not to press the page, or you'll duplicate the page. Now you can go to pages here and delete that if you don't need it. And to go back, you can press this. So I'm going to press Ctrl D, and now it's here. I'm going to type in maybe August 17th. And to make it in the corner, like here, just press this and press that. Now it's in the corner. But it looks boring. So I'm going to add some effects or some fonts. So to add an effect, click on one of them, press effects. There are loads of effects here. I'm going to press outline. And you can make it very thick or very thin. I'm going to make it quite thick. And you can change the colour. So go to A and press a colour that you want. So maybe blue. And then you can highlight a bit of it and make it red. So now that looks nice. And there are other effects like neon. And you can make it very intense or not intense. And you can change the colour too, by going there. And you can add the neon effect to all of them. But that would take a bit of time. Yeah, I'm going to edit this bit out, definitely. So, yeah, blah, 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 blah. And now you get yourself here, where you can add a new font by going here and pressing the new font here, or you can just stay like that. Step 2 to a really good party invitation is graphics, so images and pictures. So I'm going to go to elements and type in balloons, and make sure to type in balloons free, because you need the free version unless you have the paid subscription. So you can find a free one. It won't be hard to get. I'm going to click this one. you can put it wherever you want. You can move the text around, like you could put it here, put it there, put the text there, you could put it anywhere. And now I'm going to put it over here. Now if you want it to be in front, press layer and bring to front, which will bring it forward, but I don't want to do that. And I'm going to press Ctrl D to make another one. Now this one is in front, which I don't want, so I'm going to right click it, press layer and press center back, so now it's behind. But it's a laser tag party, so I'm going to get a laser gun. And there are a few. I'm just going to find this one. And you can flip it by going this. You can put it in any direction. But I think that's fine. Step 3 to a really good party invitation is backgrounds. Because that's what you need. You need a nice background. So, to make a background, click on the white space over here. And click this background color. Now it will come up with this. You can make gradients, which are this, and they're quite cool. But I'm gonna go with a simple background. So it says default solid colors. I'm gonna press see all, and there are loads. So I'm gonna press deep blue. But if you want it to be even darker, then press add a new color, and if you put it down, then it can get darker, so you can settle with a nice deep blue. Step 4 is special effects, so things that make it stand out. So I'm going to do animations which make it move. So I'm going to click on one of them and press animate and go to page. So these are the page animations, and there are loads and loads of them. There's simple, sleek, fun, party, corporate, chill, and loads not here. But since it's party invite, of course I have to click party. And now it will show this. And there's a tab that will open up here that says preview. And when you look at it, it will show that. Okay guys, now you've officially finished your party invitation. Now, the 5th step is to download it and export it. So, press share and press download. And there are loads of options for what you should pick, but I'm going to pick a video. So, I'm going to press download, and you can just sit back and relax as it uploads to your computer. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and be sure to check out my Canva video, which has a link in the description. Bye!